Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard Ended Prematurely error. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the official Epic Games website and download the installer file. You might notice that simply running it doesn't work. It fails to install properly. To fix this, click the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Task Manager. Click on it, then select Run New Task. In the new window, click on Browse and navigate to the folder where the installer was downloaded. By default, the setup file might not appear. To see it, go to the bottom right corner and change the filter from Programs to All Files. Now select the Epic Games Launcher setup file and click Open. Make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Then press OK. The installer will now launch with admin rights, install DirectX updates, and complete successfully. You can now log in and play your games without seeing the error again. So that's basically how you can fix the Epic Games Launcher setup Wizard Ended Prematurely error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.